The finished product, a standalone cabinet. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to recycle good lumber and we're going to make standalone cabinet, and this is rough, not finished due to lack of materials, and came from demolished kitchen. Instead of throwing it, I pick it up and decided to make a standalone cabinet out of it, rough. And this is the traditional way of joining wood. Just chisel it.
You can get some.
I'm going to use glue and put 5 nails on it. And after that, here is the pillar now. And I'm assembling the middle shelves first. This is how you do if you do it alone. Take note, guys, I use square here so I can get the level I want. So I already put a mark on it, and you should do a pre-nail because you don't have an helper here. Just nail them on it. By the way, the shelves is a finish with white formica. But it's done. It's not finished because I don't have planer, no sanding to do it. Okay, the first and second layer is done, so we go on top. And after this, guys, the additional shelving is not being recorded due to memory full. And the nail I use is also a recycle from pallet, so I reuse it. Okay, here is it now, guys, and the finished product is here. The mini ref is on the bottom and the water filter on top of it, and my stuff, the measuring and some goods I put inside a chiller. And I draw water. If you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you.